In this video I'm going to explain training the basics, so building your foundations. So hi guys, welcome back. So training the basics, building your foundations. So with the rise of the internet, myths and misinformation that has plagued the fitness industry have made training confusing even for the most advanced trainees. On any given day, you can read endless articles talking about how you should be doing a certain exercise or how you should be training. Confusion is at all-time high, especially for new trainees, especially if they just joined the gym. At the Trainer's Edge here, our approach is a very simple one. It's just to master the basics. We assess you, discover your individual strengths and imbalances, and then teach you how to do the most basic movements extremely well. Once you have these training fundamentals down, they will build your foundation for all other training protocols and exercise variations that you will perform throughout your training life. We categorise these movements into 6 movement patterns that we consider the foundations of all training. We work very hard to get every single one of our clients really good at these patterns. So these patterns are a squat, a hinge, which is like a deadlift, a lunge, which could be a reverse lunge, a push-in, like a push-up, a pull-in, like a chin-up or a horizontal pull, and a loaded calorie, like a farmer's walk. Before we progress any client to do anything remotely intermediate and or advanced, they must show proficiency in the basics. This is the all-important foundation. Building this foundation and you will have endless options in all fitness endeavours, be that performance related or just cosmetic, just if you want to have a good physique. Once we have taught our clients how to move well in these patterns and the fundamentals are established, the next thing is getting stronger. Okay, so we teach, and as you learn to move better, we would advance the load to get you strong. So strength is really the key. There isn't one person at any age or fitness level that wouldn't benefit from being stronger in foundational movements. So if you're unsure of how to do the basics, please get in touch with us so we can assess you and cue you to move better. So I hope you like this video. Please like and share. Please put any comments in the comment box below. Also, please email me if you've got any questions about training and how I can help you with these fundamental basics. And I shall see you on another video, and I shall see you soon. Goodbye.